I put my switch to veg spin on the viral cranberry dip and made it dairy-free and delicious. Let's get started. Add 1 cup of fresh cranberries to a food processor. The juice of 3 limes, about 1/2 cup of fresh cilantro, 1/2 of a jalapeno, some sea salt, 1 tablespoon of monk fruit. Now let's pulse it. Now let's cover and marinate this for about 1 to 2 hours. Now let's make our cream base. Let's blend 1/2 cup of vegan ricotta, 1 cup of vegan cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of canned coconut cream, a little bit of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of sugar-free maple syrup. Now I'm adding this straight into the Tupperware because I am bringing this holiday dip to a party. Now let's add the marinated cranberry mix on top of the cream base. Now let's top it off with a little bit of lime zest. Okay, this is ready to go. Come with me to the party and let's see what people think. Cheers.